Okay, dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics, and in the last class we have finished 1A 4th chapter, pair of straight lines. Now, same 4th chapter 2A we are dealing in this class. 5 questions we are going to deal. This chapter is theory of equations. Okay, 2A theory of equations. Let us go for first question, Eamcet 2009 question. If f of x is equal to 2x to the power of 4 minus 13 into x square plus ax plus b. See here, after x to the power of 4, x cube is not there. That you have to know. Okay. After x square, x is there, then constant is there. This is ax plus b. You have to find a, b values. But hint is, this is divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. This is a quadratic equation. Okay. Okay. Let us find the values. See what you have to do. You just simply divide this equation with this equation. Divisible, like they are telling, na? When it is divisible, then it should be divided by. Okay. See what I am doing. 2x to the power of 4 minus 13x square plus ax plus b should be divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. See, x square is there, x to the power of 4 is there. That means with x square you have to multiply. But here 2 is there, here 2 is not there. Then you put 2 here. Understand? Okay. 2x square, see, x square or 2x square into x square. 2x to the power of 4. 2x square into minus 3x minus 6x, x cube. 2 into 2, 4 plus 4x square. Okay, you have to do subtraction. Okay, 2x to the power of 4, 2x to the power of 4 going to get cancelled out. You see, x cube numerator, sorry, in top x cube is not there, but here only is there. That means 0 minus of minus, that means plus 6x cube you have to write. Okay, 6x cube. First you write 6x cube. Then minus 13x square minus of minus only, not minus of minus. Minus 13 minus 4 minus 17x square. Okay. Now you bring ax plus ax. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Ax. Now see, 6x cube is there, x square is there. That means you see plus 6, okay, x square, x you keep. See, 6x into x square, 6x cube. Okay? And 6x into minus 3x, minus 6 into 3, 18, x square. 2 into 6, 12x. Okay? Okay, now again you have to subtract. 6x cube going to get cancelled out. See, minus 17 plus 18 plus 1 x square. Ax minus 12x. Shall I write like this? Plus x I am taking a minus 12. Okay? A minus 12. Why? Because a minus 12. Over, no. Again you have to bring this plus b. Then bring a plus b. Okay, now you see, when it is divisible means remainder should be 0. Remainder should be 0 means, see what I am doing now. Okay, x square, this thing is there. Okay, now what you have to do, here simply x square is there. Okay, simply x square. That means you have to keep only plus 1. Plus 1 means what you have to write? X square minus 3x plus 2. See, remainder should be 0. Divisible means remainder should be 0. That means what you have to do, x square got cancelled out. See, x a minus 12 is equal to minus of minus 3 plus 3. No, a minus 3 is equal to minus 3, that's all. A minus 12 is equal to minus 3. Because both are equal, then only 0 will come. There also b is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. Okay? Then you see, a will be what? 12 minus 3, 9. B will be what? 2. Then what will be a comma b value? 9 comma 2. That's all. 9 comma 2 is there. S is there. Okay, this is the answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see second question. The polynomial equation of degree 4. Degree 4 means how many roots will be there? 4 roots will be there. Why? Because see, quadratic equation has got 2 roots. Linear equation means 1 root. Root means here solution, that's all, x value. Cubic equation has got 3 roots. Biquadratic or power 4 is having 4 roots. 4 roots will be there, but 3 roots is giving. With 3 of its roots as 2 plus or minus root 3 means one root is 2 plus root 3, another root is 2 minus root 3. 1 plus 2i. See here, one thing you have to observe logically. Whenever complex number comes as a root, only 1 plus 2i will not come. 1 plus or minus 2i will come. That means 1 plus 2i and 1 minus 2i. Directly you can take as root. That means what they have given? Directly they have given 4 roots. That's all. Then equation they are asking. That's all. The polynomial equation is like they are telling means equation you have to write. Okay. Here equation you have to write means simply these 4 roots are there. With 4 roots you multiply. That's all. That is the equation. Okay. See how I am writing this equation. First of all, observe carefully. See, roots I am writing first. Roots is equal to 2 plus root 3, comma 2 minus root 3, comma 1 plus 2i, comma 1 minus 2i also. Okay? Please remember, 1 plus 2i only root will not come. Whenever complex number comes means pair it will come. 1 plus 2i, 1 minus 2i. Okay? Now with these 4 roots, so how you are going to make equation? Okay, see, if it is a quadratic equation, what is there? Quadratic equation I am writing, you see. Why? Because 2 roots you are taking means this is one quadratic, this is one quadratic. You take 2 quadratic equations and multiply, then final root will come, final equation will come. See, for quadratic equation, what was our practice? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 implies alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Okay, c by a. Now what we do? Let we take a as 1 temporarily. Why? Because afterwards it will come back again. Temporarily we will take a as 1. Then what is going to become? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b. Alpha into beta is equal to c. That means simply wherever c is there you write alpha into beta. Wherever b is there, here b is there, then you write minus alpha beta, minus of alpha beta. Why? Because see, b if you want to see, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b like you think. Why? Because a is 1 like we have taken elected. Then b is equal to minus of alpha beta, that's all. Then proceed further. Then what will happen here? You see, a will not be there. Why? Because a we have taken as 1. Okay, don't forget. Then x square is okay, minus of alpha plus beta into x. In place of b we have written alpha plus beta. Minus also have to transfer this minus. Okay. Okay. Then c plus only, but alpha beta is equal to 0. This is very important. This equation you take and note down. Okay. Now we are going to proceed simply as per this equation. Why? Because see, 2 roots you have got. Alpha beta, separate equations. See how I am tackling this question. Now what I will write? You see, x square minus alpha plus beta means this root you have to add. See, 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 into x. Alpha plus beta into x, but outside minus is there, x is there. Okay, plus. Okay, alpha into beta means what? 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Now here see, x will not come. Okay, that's all. This is equal to 0. But shall I write another equation? Let us write first this equation only. We will solve separate and afterwards we will multiply. Okay, this is equation number 1 with these 2. With these 2 also we have to write. Okay, with these 2 also we have to write. Let us write again same like earlier. Okay, x square minus of 1 plus 2i plus 1 minus 2i into x plus 1 plus 2i into 1 minus 2i is equal to 0. Okay. Now you multiply both these, but before that you, what we can say, concise it. We can concise it. You see, x square is same, okay, minus See 2 plus 2 4 minus root 3 plus root 3 going to get cancelled. That means minus 4x. Minus 4x. Okay? 4 minus x. Okay? Here we come. A square minus b square. Why? Because a plus b into a minus b. A square means 4 minus b square means minus 3. Okay? Into this equation. Why? Because both if you multiply then only power 4 will come. X square into x square, x to the power of 4 will come. Why? Because the 4 degree of 4 means what we say biquadratic equation. Okay? Okay. Let us write again x square. Okay? Minus. See here also plus 2i minus 2 are going to get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2x. Minus 2x. Okay? Here also a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. That means you see plus a square 1 minus b square 4 into I square. 4 I will write. Wait. I square is minus 1, then it is going to make this as plus. This is equal to 0. Okay, now you see here 4 minus 3 means 1. Don't forget. Shall I write once again? Let me write. You see x square minus 4x plus 1 into x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 only, but we will do some calculation. You see x square to the power of 4 minus 2x cube plus 5x square. Okay, now minus 4x cube. Okay, minus plus 8x square. Okay, then minus 20x. Okay, with 1 means this you repeat again. Plus x square minus 2x plus 5. Now you write 0. Okay, now you see x to the power of 4 always will be only one term in this thing. Okay, x to the power of 4 you write directly. This is over. Now go for cubic. See minus 2 minus 4 minus 6x cube minus 6x cube. X cube story over x square. See 5 plus 8 13. 13 plus 1 14 plus 14x square plus 14x square. Okay, x also you have to take. Okay, minus 20x minus 2x minus 22x plus 5 only once is equal to 0. See finally whatever the equation, polynomial equation they are asking, this is the equation. X to the power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 14x square minus 22x plus 5 equal to 0. Take this, we will go for next question. Okay? Okay. See third question. The roots of equation of x cube minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0 are. That means see 3 roots will come, 3 answers are there. 3 solutions, x value. Okay? Eamcet 2005 question. If you observe carefully here, after x cube, x square term is not there. After x cube minus 3x minus 2 is there. Okay? Now, see, simplest method is normally when number of terms are less, then you go for trial and error method. With trial and error method, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. Within these normally will come. Why? Because the answer also everywhere 1 minus 1 is there. That means at least one root will be 1 minus 1. At least one root if you get, see logic I am telling how to solve. Why? Because we are not doing IPE examination. We are doing Eamcet examination. Eamcet examination means shortcut way always you have to think if available. Okay. Shortcut is see available answers in front of you only. At least see 2 minus 2 are there. See normally we do this only. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. That's all. Okay. I hope within 4 only you are going to get 1 minus 1 minus 1, so 2 minus 2. I know the answer but I should not tell like that. Okay. Let us proceed then. See x again I am writing x cube minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0 comma at x is equal to 1. I am taking first 1. 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 2 equal to 0 should come. Then 1 is 1 root. 1 cube means 1 minus 3 minus 2. Okay? Minus 5 not equal to 0. Okay, therefore x is equal to 1 is not a root. Okay, now go for x is equal to minus 1. At x is equal to minus 1. minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 minus 2, that is equal to, see, minus 1 cube means minus 1, minus of minus plus 3 minus 2, that means, see, minus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 0, that means minus 1 is one root. When x is equal to minus 1, then what will be the equation? X plus 1 equal to 0 will be your equation. Now what you have to do, simply with x plus 1 you divide this equation, then you are getting quadratic equation. Quadratic equation easily you can solve, or else again you go for remaining roots also, that is not a problem. Shall we go or shall we divide? Both you have to know. See, substitution I already have told you. I am going to teach you division method also. See, with x plus 1 what I am doing, I am dividing this x cube. Why? Because one root is, now quadratic equation will come. Okay, x square you have to take, then x square into x cube will come, and x square plus 1 is plus x square will come. Okay, x cube is going to get cancelled out. X square term is not there, that means minus x square you have to write, and 3x is not there, that is why minus 3x directly you have to write. Okay, now see, x square you have to take, means x is there, minus x you keep here, x square. Okay, minus x if you take, minus of minus minus x into x, x square minus x square, minus x into 1 minus x will be there. Okay, again you have to do minus x square is going to get cancelled out, minus 3x plus x, minus 2x will come, and one more minus 2 is there, minus 2x minus 2x plus 1, simply you keep minus 2, that's all, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, that is equal to 0, that means this is the required quadratic equation. If you solve that, you are going to get remaining two roots. Why? Because one root you already got here. Okay, x is equal to minus 1 is one root, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, but this answer you can strike off. Why? Because one root has minus 1. Okay, let us see now. X square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. See, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, and minus 1 has to come. Simply 2 minus 2 into 1. Okay, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, write down. X square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. X you take common, x minus 2 will be there. Here x minus 2 you take common, then plus 1 you keep. Okay, what will happen here? X plus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2. You see, x is equal to minus 1 2 times it has come. Repeated roots. They are going to call as repeated roots. 1 is 2. That means finally what are the roots? Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. A will be your answer. Okay. Let us go for next question. Okay, fourth question. If the equation x to the power of 5 minus 3x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube plus 27x square minus 32x plus 12 equal to 0. You see, order has been clearly maintained. X to the power of 5, x to the power of 4, x cube, x square, x to the power of 0. Okay, we are very intact. Has repeated roots. This repeated roots is very important. Whenever repeated roots word comes, then you differentiate this. Okay, f dash x, f double dash x also you can go, but at least f dash x also you have, at least f dash x you have to know. Okay. Then the prime number that divides the non-repeated root of this equation, that means if 5 roots will come, f to the power of 5 means among 5 roots, maybe 2 roots or 4 roots will be repeated. That means 2 roots and 2 roots or 4 roots, we don't know. Okay, let us see. But at least one root is non-repeated. That non-repeated root should be divided by one prime number. That means, see, non-repeated number should be divided by prime number means unless we get this non-repeated root, we can't say what is that number and all. With what prime number? See, these are prime numbers only, 3, 5, 7, 2. Okay, within these 4 prime numbers, with which prime number it is going to divide like. Okay, like that they are asking. Let us see, if it is 4, then with divided by 2 only it goes. With 3, 5, 7 will not go. If it is 49, then with 7 only it goes. 9 means with 3 only it goes. Non-repeated root. 10 means again 5 to both will go. That is why 5 is possibility is less. If 5 comes, we can't say. Okay. Let us proceed further. See, as I said, repeated roots means first what you have to take, you first take it as f of x. You see what I am doing now. f of x is equal to x to the power of 5 minus 3 x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube plus 27x square minus 32x plus 12. Okay. Now go for f dash x. F dash x differentiation. F dash x is equal to 5x to the power of 4 minus 12x cube minus 15x square plus 54x minus 32. Okay. See, you have got f dash and f both. Let us go for f dash 1. Okay, f dash 1. Let us go. See, 1 to the power of 4, 1 into 5, 5, 1 cube, 1 into 12, minus 12, 1 square, 1 into minus 15, plus 54, minus 32. Okay. See, 5 plus 54, 59 will come. Okay. And 27 minus 32, minus 59 will come. Okay. 27, 32, 9, 5. Okay. That means see, this is equal to 0. That means see, straight away, one root is 1, but repeated is telling. Then we will do it for 1 also. Why? Because see, f is equal to 1 means x is equal to minus 1. Or else, no, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means x minus 1 equal to 0. Like that you have to take. Okay. See, this is one root. But repeated roots is telling, na, we will go for f of 1 also. Repeated means it should be normally, or else this is going to become your non-repeated root. Whether it is repeated root, non-repeated, we have to see. Naturally, it should be a repeated root. Why? Because see, this should be divided by 1, not possible. That is why it should be repeated root. Let us go. 1 minus 3 minus 5 plus 27 minus 32 plus 12. That is equal to, see, 1 plus 27, 28 plus 12, 40 minus 32 minus 7, 40. That is equal to 0. That means see, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1. That means see, repeated root 1, 1, 2 have come. Now what I am going to do, observe carefully, I am going to apply synthetic method. First time I am doing this, that is why little bit slow I will tell you. Next question onwards, the synthetic method and we will go little bit faster. Okay, see, I am going to do the synthetic method. I am going to divide with 1, 1. But here, rather than subtracting, you have to add in synthetic method. That is a specialty. Let us go. See, this equation you see first. Coefficient is 1. Then write 1. Coefficient is minus 3. Minus 5. Plus 27. Minus 32. Plus 12. Okay. See, what you have to do? You have to divide it with 1, 2 times. Why? Because repeated root. Okay. First time 1, 0. 0. Okay. 1, 0 is 0. Then add 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. 1 into minus 7, minus 7. 27 minus 7 is 20. Okay, adding. 1 into 20, 20. Minus 12. 1 into minus 12, minus 12, 0. Okay. See, this is 1. Another repeated root is there, another one. Then go 1. See, 1 into 0, 0. Okay. 1, 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Then minus 8. 1 into minus 8, minus 8. Then plus 12. 1 into 12 is 12. Then 0. Okay. Now you see, from power 5 to power 3 will come. Why? Because see, this is x cubed minus x square minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, see, if you take this as f of x, you see, this we have taken as f of x, then you take this as g of x. Okay, we have taken this as g of x. Then we will do trial and error method for this also. Okay, let us do it. G of x. X cube minus x square minus 8x plus 12. This should become equal to 0. Then g of 1, 1 may not be there. 1. Okay. Then what I will do, I will try with 2. G of 2. 2 cube 8 minus 2 square 4 minus 2 into 8 16 plus 12. That means you see minus 16 minus 20 plus 20, that is equal to 0. 0. That means see 2 is one root. 2 is one root. X is equal to 2 or x minus 2. Okay. Now what you have to do, you divide with x minus 2. One more root will come. See what I am doing. See, x minus 1 already came. With x minus 2 we are doing. Okay. See what doing. X square, x cube minus x square minus 8x plus 12. I am dividing with x minus 2. Okay. X square into x cube, x square minus 2x square. Okay, going to get cancelled out. This is plus, this is going to become minus, that means only x square minus 8x will come. Then x is there, only plus x you take, x into x square, but minus 2x will come. Okay, I am going to remove this also. Why? Because I have written here. Okay, let's see, we have got up till now 3 roots. Among 5, 3 roots we have received. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. We require only remaining 2 roots. Let's see, minus. This is going to become minus 8 plus 2 minus 6x plus 12 will there. Minus 6x you have to take, means see minus x you have to take. Minus 6x, okay. And minus of minus plus 12, 0. That means this quadratic equation you have to solve. If you solve this quadratic equation, then you are going to get 2 roots. 2 roots, 2 roots, 1 root. Total 5 roots. Okay. 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. And 1 has to come. 1 plus 1 has to come. Plus 1 means 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. Write down. Then x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. X you take common. X plus 3 will be there. Again x plus 3 you take. Minus 2 is minus 2x minus 6. Okay. That means x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. See, x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 3. What are the remaining roots? X is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. Already once it has come. Total how many roots? 5 roots. 1, 1, 2, 2, minus 3. Which one is divisible? Minus 3 is divisible by 3, prime number. Okay. That is why answer is x is equal to minus 3. Okay. Let us go for next. Okay. See, fifth question, Eamcet 2018 question. If the roots of x to the power of 4 minus 10x cube plus 37x square minus 60x plus 36 equal to 0 are alpha, alpha, beta, beta. That means see, repeated roots are there. 2 sets are there. That means you have to do differentiation. Then substitute. Okay, that way you are going to get it. And also you see where alpha is less than beta, this is very important. Alpha is less than beta. Okay, that means alpha is smaller, beta is bigger. They are asking 2 into alpha plus 3 into beta minus 2 alpha beta value is how much, like they are asking. 4 options also they have given. You see, whenever it comes repeated roots, so straight away you differentiate it. Okay, I am taking let f of x is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 10x cube plus 37x square minus 60x plus 36. Okay. If this is f of x, then what will be f dash x? 4x cube minus 30x square plus 74x minus 60. Okay. Now you go some substitute. What will happen now? See, f dash 1 I am taking first. 1 means this is 4 minus 30 plus 74 minus 60. Okay. See, 94, 78 not equal to 0. Okay. Then you go for f of minus 1 also. Is it okay? 30, 74 minus 30 minus 60 minus 90. But this is not going to help us. Okay, minus 1 if you take, this is going to become minus 4. But this is minus 30. This is minus 74. This is minus 60. All are minus. Sorry. This is also not going to help us. Then you go for f of 2. See f dash, I am forgetting. So f dash 2. F dash 2 means see 2 cube 8 into 4 32. 2 square 4 into minus 120 plus 144 148 minus 60. Okay. Now you see 170 minus 60 is equal to 180 minus 180. Okay. And 150 plus 30 is plus 180. That means you see 0. See x is equal to 2 or else x minus 2. Okay. See repeated root means now this 2 you apply here f of x also. F of 2 also I am doing. Okay. F of 2. Normally it should be okay. That means 2 will be maybe repeated root. So 2 power 4 16 minus 2 cube 8 into 10 80 plus 2 square 4 into 37. See 148 no 37 148 that's all. 4 7s are 28 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14 148. Okay, see 2 into 60 minus 120 plus 36. Let me see. Minus is 200. Okay, then plus we will see. See 16 plus 148, 154, 164, 164 plus 36, 200. That is equal to 0. That means see x is another root. That means you see we don't know, this may be alpha, this may be beta. If another root comes greater than 2, then this is alpha. Like that, sorry. This is alpha like we have written. Why? Because beta is greater. Now what I have to do? You see, f dash x has come. Okay? This equation. Then you take this equation also, f dash equation also. F dash x equation again. No, we will do trial and error. What is synthetic method? Why? Because 2 roots you have already received. No? Then you go for synthetic method. Synthetic method of which first equation only. Like 2 times you do. Okay, you are going to get it. You see, first equation only you have to take. See, synthetic method I am doing. Why? Because x is equal to 2 times you have got 1 minus 10 37 minus 16 36. Okay. Now what I am doing? I am going first to see 2 zeros are 0. 1 plus 0 1. 2 into 1 2 minus 8. 1 2 into minus 8 minus 16. Minus 16 means this is 11. Sorry 1 and 3 2 minus 20. Sorry plus 21. Plus 21 means see 42 will come. 42. 42 means 18 will come, but minus will come. Minus 18. That means 2 into minus 18 minus 36 0 will come. Okay. Now go for another number x is equal to 2 again. 2 again 0. Okay, synthetic method. Add 1 plus 0 1. 2 into 1 2 minus 6. 2 into minus 6 minus 12. Okay. Then you see 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay, then 1 will be there. That's all. Plus 9. 2 into 9 18 plus 18. That means 0. That means you see here, what is this equation? X square x to the power of 0. That's all. That means this equation is x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. This you take as g of x. Simply this is a quadratic equation. That's all. Okay. I don't want to rub. Why? Because let it be. I am doing here itself. Okay. See, 1 into 9 is 9. And minus 6 has to come. Shall I take minus 3 plus 9 minus 3 plus 6. Okay. See what I am doing here itself. X minus 3 into x minus 3. X minus 3 whole square. X square plus 9 minus 6x. Okay. X minus 4. So that means see, x will be 3. X is equal to 3 comma x is equal to 3. You see, repeated roots only have come. Okay, now which is alpha? Alpha is less than beta, 2 is less than 3. That is why alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to 3. Okay, if that is the case, 2 into alpha, 2 into 2 plus 3 into beta. 3 into 3 minus 2 into alpha beta. 2 into 2 into 3. See, 4 plus 9 minus 12. 13 minus 12, that is equal to 1. This will be your answer. Okay? Okay. Now we stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.